Hey guys, what's happening? It's Joshua Elder here, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to rank on the first page of Google and also how to rank on the first page of YouTube for your YouTube video. As you can see right here, out of 14,100 results at the very top of YouTube, over 5.7 thousand views, and you can also see it at the very top in the third position right here. So how is it that after 2 years, almost 3 years now, I've ranked at the very top of Google and also at the very top of YouTube for this specific keyword phrase? And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to dive in and I'm going to show you exactly step by step how I did this. And if you'd like, go ahead and subscribe to this channel. I'm always uploading videos on a daily basis teaching you how to build a business and a life full of freedom, passion, and fulfillment. So don't forget to slam that red subscribe button, and let's go ahead and dive into this video. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna switch over to some slides here, and these are the exact slides that I have in my brand new webinar, Tube Traffic Selling System. And if you wanna get access to this whole entire webinar, you can just click the link in the description below, okay? So this is the section that covers how to get views to your videos. Obviously, ranking in Google is one of them. Ranking in YouTube is another, and so on and so forth. We're going to cover all the different ways that there are to get views to your videos. Specifically, we're going to cover 4 ways within this video. So let's go ahead and start with Google search, which you are already most likely familiar with. As you can see, not only was I able to rank, but there's tons of other people ranking in Google for specific keyword terms. Now, bear in mind, if you're looking to rank a video at the top of Google, what I would do is I would first determine the topic of conversation, the topic that you want to talk on, and then go ahead and type that into Google. If there are other videos that are already ranking in Google, that's a good indication that your video will rank too. So make sure that you check that from the get-go. So you can see this specific video is ranked, I believe, in the 3rd or 4th position. It looks like the 4th position here for how to reverse diabetes naturally. Okay. Also, you can see this same video is also ranked in YouTube search engine, which is the second way to get free views to your video. And you can see, again, it's ranked at the very top, has 1.2 million views. And these are views coming from different places like YouTube search engine, Google search engine, and we're going to cover the 2 other search engines, or the 2 other ways of getting views to your video in just a moment. So again, you can see this video right here, 1.296 million views to this video. And this is a combination of ranking in YouTube, ranking in Google, and also, yes, suggested video section. Okay, this is a section on YouTube people most often underestimate. They don't realize that about 60 to 70% of their views on average come from YouTube suggested search area. Now, what is YouTube suggested search? Well, when you type in a specific keyword phrase such as intermittent fasting, and you select a video just like this one on intermittent fasting, you can see the highlighted area on the right-hand side. And these are all videos that are related to the current video that you're watching. So what I would do if I were you, you should be having a light bulb moment here, is find videos that are super popular on YouTube, create similar videos just like those videos, and boom, you will end up showing up on the right-hand side if you optimize your video correctly, optimize the title, the description, and the tags correctly. And if you want to know more about how to do this, there will be, in fact, a link below where you can get access to this whole entire webinar where we dive a lot more into detail on how to not only rank videos, but how to create your videos, what you need to say in your videos, and we'll cover the whole entire 4-step video selling process. Okay, so YouTube suggested video area is huge. Most people that watch a video such as this video on intermittent fasting are more than likely to watch the other videos on the right-hand side because they are related. And the whole purpose of YouTube is to keep people on their platform. That's why they have this suggested video section that suggests other videos that they would more than likely want to watch. It's kind of like when you go to Amazon.com and you purchase a product, you purchase maybe a men's razor. and then they offer you more razors, or they offer you shaving cream, or they offer you an electric razor, or they'll offer you other men's grooming products, right? So that's another way, is to get into YouTube's suggested section, okay, by optimizing your video similar to another video out there on YouTube that has a lot of views, that's going viral, that's on a similar topic. Okay, the last way to get free views to your videos, we've covered Google search, YouTube search, suggested video section on YouTube. Last but not least, it's going to be YouTube's home page. Okay, and this is pretty cool. If we go to YouTube's home page right here, you'll notice that there are videos on YouTube's home page that are being suggested to me based off of videos that I've watched in the past, right? So you can see I've been doing some research on Bitcoin, cryptocurrency. So you can see the bottom left-hand corner, John McAfee, why Bitcoin will hit 500K in 3 years. Been doing some research on Facebook and Mark Zuckerberg, and in the areas of personal development and finance. So you can see Warren Buffett here. You can see Grant Cardone here on the right-hand side. So this is another way you can show up on YouTube's homepage if somebody has searched for topics that are similar to the topic of your video. So you'll notice a video spontaneously will go viral because it ends up showing up on the home page, or it ends up showing on YouTube suggested videos. So don't just try and rank your videos, but optimize your videos in a way by making videos similar to other popular videos, so you can not only show up at the very top of the search engine, such as YouTube and Google, but you can show up in YouTube's suggested videos area, which is where, again, 60 to 70% of your video traffic will come from suggested videos. And then you'll get a percentage from the homepage and from YouTube search and Google search. So we want to know now, how do we get views from these specific sources? What are some other things that we need that I haven't explained to this point? Number one is we want on-page optimization. Right? So that refers to everything that's on the page. It's the title, the description, and the tags. So when we first upload a video, we want to optimize our title, description, and tags in a way where the search engines will recognize what our video is about and rank that video at the top for any specific keyword phrase that we're trying to rank for, or topic that we're trying to rank for, right? Off-page optimization refers to everything off the page. That's basically backlinks. Okay, so I'm going to give you guys an overview of what backlinks are, and also I'm going to show you exactly how to properly optimize your title, description, and your tags. Okay, so here's the first example of on-page optimization. Okay, the title. For example, if I was creating a video about YouTube video SEO tips, I'd want that specific title, right? I'd want that topic of conversation in the title, right? I want it also in the description, and I also want it in the tag. So you're going to notice that the title is YouTube video SEO tips. I've got that in my description, and I've also got that same keyword phrase in my tags. Okay, so what YouTube and Google is going to look at is they're going to look at your title. Does a title match what the consumer is typing into Google and YouTube? Does the description match, and do the tags match? Okay. Number two, here's an example of off-page optimization. These are backlinks, okay? And backlinks are just links that go from one site to another, okay? What I want you to do is I want you to think of a backlink as a referral, okay? Let's say there's a brand new bakery in town, okay? It's popular because Anne went to the bakery and she's like, man, this muffin's amazing. I'm going to tell Susan about it. And she tells Susan about it. And then Susan goes and tries that blueberry muffin. And then she tells John, and John tells Steve. And before you know it, there's a frenzy going around about all this amazing food from this bakery. And then people start reviewing about that bakery, and it starts to gain momentum and popularity. And it becomes the talk of the town and the best bakery in the whole area. Now, what happens offline is similar to what happens online. When somebody finds an awesome video, they're going to refer that video to other people and share it on Facebook, share it on social media, And then what it does is it tells Google and YouTube this video is of value. People are sharing it. People are linking to it. People are embedding it on their blogs and their websites. So the more backlinks that we have from these other websites to our video, from people sharing, from people, writing about it on their blogs, writing articles about it and linking back to it, the more backlinks that we have, the higher our video is going to rank, because it tells YouTube and Google that it's of value. Okay, so you can see kind of what that looks like right here. We got all these backlinks from different websites such as Google, Facebook. I think it's kind of funny. There's MySpace up here. You got Wikipedia. You got different blog sites on the left-hand side here. You've got even from other YouTube videos to your YouTube video. That's still considered a backlink. So the more links that you have from these other websites to your website and to your video, the higher you are going to rank. And it can get even more complicated than that. You have tier 1 backlinks, tier 2, and then even tier 3 backlinks. Okay, and these are the different types of backlinks that you can get. You can get comment backlinks, Web 2.0s, articles, wikis, press releases, guest posts, PR links, and social bookmark links. And again, here's why we need them. They build authority. They show YouTube that our video is popular. And if we have enough of these backlinks, Google and YouTube will put our video on the first page. And there's different ways that we can get them. We can spend tens of thousands of hours building them ourselves, or we can use different softwares like SENuke or Article Wizard. They cost anywhere between $100 to $200 a month. So some of the best backlinks for YouTube videos, though, to this day still are social bookmarking backlinks from social bookmarking sites. So you can just go to Google and type in social bookmarking sites, and you can see a bunch of these different social bookmarking sites. We got Reddit, StumbleUpon, Pinterest, Dig, Delicious, so on and so forth, right? And we just go to one of these and we create a profile. Okay, once we create that profile, we then put our YouTube video as a bookmark on that profile that we just created, and boom, guess what? We've got a backlink. And you can see we can even use SENuke here to drive backlinks, but again, that's more expensive, and it could be difficult to learn a brand new software. So if you want to see how I outsource my backlinks so I don't have to worry about this process, there's specific outsourcers that I use. I'll actually show you that within my webinar. You'll be able to see the whole entire webinar, not just this section. Go ahead and go to the description below. Click on that link and you can sign up for a time and date this week and jump on this webinar, and you can see the whole entire thing. So with that said, if you got value from this video, give me a thumbs up, like this video, comment below if you have any questions, and most importantly, slam that subscribe button. I'm uploading videos on a daily basis teaching you how to build a life and business full of freedom, passion, and fulfillment. Take care.